Hello guys, I am PK. Welcome to today's session. So guys, today we are going to discuss about one topic, that is how to set up Ansible tower in an RHEL or Centos machine. So guys, let's get started. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to different cloud technology, Linux administration, VMware administrations, DevOps tools, and many more latest technology. So guys, on last session already we have covered the theory part of Ansible tower. So video has been uploaded, so you can watch that video for to get more knowledge on Ansible tower. Okay, so I have prepared small notes for the setup. So we'll follow the steps, then we'll install the Ansible tower. Okay, so before going ahead, so just I will give a small description about what is Ansible tower. So Ansible tower is an enterprise version of Ansible. Okay, so it is a it is open source IT automation tool. Basically it will provide a graphical user interface to perform any the any Ansible activity. Okay, suppose if you want to schedule a job. Okay, if you want to schedule a Ansible playbook, okay, and you want to run in a target machine, so you can schedule from the GUI interface. Okay, so you can maintain the whole inventory. Okay, you can pull all inventories from your any in-house infrastructure and from the different cloud infrastructure like Google Cloud, AWS Cloud. Okay, so it's a centralized. You can manage the Ansible. You can manage from the centralized console. Okay, so there is in order to install the Ansible tower, minimum of 4 GB of RAM is required. Okay, but however you can on a test for a testing purpose, if you do not have 4 GB of RAM in your machine, there is way to install that there is a there is a solution to fix the issues that I have already uploaded the video on my channel, so you can watch that video also. Okay, so now we'll start the installation. So in the first installation process is we need to download the Ansible tower package. Okay, so using curl we'll download the Ansible latest Ansible tower package. So let me copy. So this is my RHEL 8 machine. So let me check the OS version. So this is RHEL 8 machine. So you can follow the same steps and you can install in the Centos also. Okay, so first we'll download the Ansible tower package. So the package got downloaded. So this is the package Ansible, which is in tar format. Now we'll unzip and untar it. Okay, what we'll do, so using tar command we'll extract and unzip it. Okay, so now we extracted the tar package. So now we got this Ansible tower. Now guys, we'll execute the third step. So on third step, what we'll need to do, so we need to browse to the package directory. Then we have to set the admin password and PG password. PG password is nothing but it's a database password. Okay, so PG is so Ansible tower normally uses that PostgreSQL. So we need to set one is admin password that we'll use to log into the GUI mode. Okay, and the PG password. Okay, so now we browse to the Ansible tower package directory. Here what we will do, there is file called inventory file. Okay, under inventory file we need to set the we need to hard coded the password. Okay, so this is the initial password. Okay, later on you can change the password also. So suppose I will give some password, then here we need to provide the admin password. Okay, so our admin password is nothing but, so when you will try to log into the GUI console of Ansible tower, then you have to provide this password. So this is hard coded. This is the initial passwords. Okay, later once you logged into the Ansible GUI console of the Ansible tower, then you can change the password. Okay, this is for installation purpose. There is some mistake here. So password set done. Now we'll go to the third step, a fourth step. Okay, run the Ansible tower setup step to start the installation. So now we'll run the the setup script. Okay, so if you can see here the setup.sh, one shell script is there, so just will run. So it will take time. Okay, so when you will install the Ansible tower, so it is install the Ansible as well as the dependency packages like Python 3. Once it will install, then it will check the all the prerequisite. So it will run all the tasks in order to install the Ansible tower. Let's pause for a while. So installation is going on. So it is installing the subscription manager. It is installing the dependencies. The dependency playbook is running. So it is enabling the required DNF module. It is upgrading the Nginx. So sequentially it is the different task is getting executed. So now it is installing the PostgreSQL, which is the Ansible tower uses the PostgreSQL as a database. So now it is initializing the PostgreSQL database. So guys, now it is installing the install the tower RPM. So what are the RPM is needed to install the tower, so that the task is getting executed. Now it is upgrading the dependencies. Whatever the dependencies needs to be upgraded. So normally it takes in order to install the Ansible tower, normally it takes around 7 to 8 minutes. So now it is the migration task is going on, migrate the tower database schema. So now it is, yeah, so it is doing the final steps. So guys, now the installation got completed successfully without any error. Is the Ansible tower got installed successfully. Now we'll open the the Ansible tower GUI using one of the compatible browser. Okay, so while opening the browser, the time we need to provide the server IP address or FQDN of the server. Okay, and the username should be the admin and password what we set. Okay, so guys, in this case I'm using Mozilla Firefox, as sometimes in Google Chrome you will get incompatibility error. So so in the so I am using in I have not experienced any issues on Mozilla Firefox, so I am using Mozilla Firefox. Okay, let me take the IP address of my machine. So this is my IP address. Let me open my Mozilla Firefox browser, paste it. Okay, so I'll go to advanced, then accept the risk and continue. Okay, so this is the GUI. Okay, so as I told that we need to provide the username as admin and the password what we hard coded there. Okay, admin admin. Okay, yeah. So now what we need to do? So request for subscription if you have not subscribed. Okay, if you have the manifest file, then also you can upload. Then third, okay, if you have subscription, then simply you need to give the username and password. Okay, username. So if do not have subscription, so request for subscriptions, just click here. In this case, what you need to do, so you need to you need to create an account in Red Hat portal. Okay, start your trial. Just you have to click on start your trial. Then here you need to provide your means you need to register. If you do not have account, then you have to register it. Okay, if you have account, then just provide your account details here. Okay, as I have already subscribed, my trial period is going on already 60 days. So simply I will give the username here. I have I have already created accounts in Red Hat. I have Red Hat accounts. So simply I will provide the same account details here. Okay, so get subscription. Let's see, might be I have typed wrong password. So guys, now I am able to fetch the subscription details. So just I given my the Red Hat uh, ID, okay, that I had created earlier. So for the trial period it will give 60 days, so you can use 60 days and 100 manage node, means you can add, you can able to manage 100 nodes. Okay, so I'll select it, select, then so I have to accept the license agreement, click on submit button. Okay, so this is the dashboard, Ansible Tower dashboard. Okay, where there is several options. You can create a job, you can schedule it, means where you want to, means when you want to run the job. Okay, so you can maintain your inventories, you can pull the inventories from different in-house infrastructure, from the different cloud infrastructures. Okay, so in things you can do. Okay, on later on we discuss about all the things one by one. So guys, hope you enjoy the sessions. Please try to set off the Ansible tower on your lab. Okay, then you can explore more. So thank you guys. Please stay tuned for next videos.